Hi there, in this video we will work on this subtraction problem. We have 89 minus 42. So we will find the difference. It's also known as the result of the subtraction problem is also known as difference. So we will find the difference between 89 and 42. I will use standard algorithm for this question. So I will write the digits in tens place and ones place. I have 8 tens in 89 and 9 ones in 89, 4 tens and 2 ones in 42. So we always start from the ones place in standard algorithm. Also in subtraction, we must make sure the bottom digit, the bottom number is always smaller than the top number. So if it's the case, which is true in this case, 9 is greater number than the bottom. So we need to subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 2 is 7. So we can call the difference between 9 and 2 is 7. And we need to write that number in the ones place. And the same thing, we can find the difference between 8 and 4. 8 minus 4, which is 4, 4, 10 in the tens place. So our result is 47. So our result in subtraction is also known as difference. So we call it a difference. In questions, you may see what's the difference between these two numbers. So the difference refers to subtraction operation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.